Hello and welcome to our new OutPower newscast. On today's news, we're going to talk about how the next generation of web apps will use reactive web, how to execute stored procedures in OutSystems, and as usual, a quick peek at the community highlights. OutSystems has announced a new way of building highly performant and scalable applications. This can be achieved using reactive web. Reactive web applications are powerful new web apps that, unlike the server-side applications, they don't need the expensive round-trip communications, and they can react more quickly to user interactions. The load on the service is also decreased, making these applications able to scale better under heavy loads. All of this put together leads to a smoother user experience. For you to be able to use this technology, if you're using one of the latest versions of the platform in OutSystems 11, all you need to do is select Reactive Web App when creating a new web application. In case you're using one of the older versions of the platform, consider this a great opportunity to upgrade. If you wish to get more information on this, a link will be available below. As we mentioned on the previous newscast, OutSystems has been promoting a challenge for the community to improve their Forge documentation. This last week was the final week of the challenge, and these following community members were the winners. Congratulations! We also would like to congratulate Team OutSystems for this successful initiative. Let's hope to see more of these in the future. Going over to hints and how-tos, on today's videos we'll be talking about stored procedures. From time to time we need to get more creative on how we use our SQL Server database. Let's say that for some reason we want to execute stored procedures in OutSystems. For that we recommend this how-to by Hubert where he explains in detail on how to achieve this. This guide provides you with a step-by-step process where it explains all the necessary actions if you wish to use stored procedures within OutSystems. If you wish to give a quick peek onto this how-to, the link to the page on the forum will be available below. Next, we'll go over our selection of deployments on the Forge. After looking at the community activity on the Forge this week, the following is our selection for this week's top picks. And now, last but not least, our community idea of the week. On this week's ideas, the concept that has picked up more interest by the community is by Carl Zilchenrin. He proposed that inline expression comments can be triggered to appear as reminders in true change. We'll be able to achieve this with the use of a prefix on the comment that will signal to true change that comment should be treated as a reminder. This will be all for today, but please join us next time for more OutSystems news by OutPower. Have a good day.